My name's Jo Kemp and I'm the Green Impact Programme Manager at the National Union of Students. This year we've been piloting SLab's criteria for laboratories and inputting that into our online Green Impact workbook that staff and students can use throughout labs at institutions to try and make them greener. So I'll be talking with Martin Wiles, who's the Head of Sustainability at the University of Bristol, who helped us put together the original part of Green Impact. So we'll just be looking at how we integrated it into our workbook, how the programme works and gets staff and students involved throughout an academic year, and just looking at some of the results from the first year of the programme, seeing which bits were really successful, which bits institutions have told us they'd like us to change slightly, and how we're going to go about doing that. We had about 19 of our 46 participating institutions take on the Labs tab, as we call it, which was really great, and a really high number of those got quite high scores within that. Which obviously in part is brilliant because it shows that people have got to a level of sustainability, which is what we were trying to achieve, but it also shows us that maybe we need to make the accreditation a bit harder next year, so we'll be looking at that in particular. But yeah, in general, lab users have really enjoyed having a set of criteria to work through, to have a sort of framework to know where to start when they're trying to green their labs and influence their users. For me, it's really nice to be part of something that's working with actual lab users and people who are determining the future of our laboratories. Obviously it's a massive part of where our students spend their time at university, so it's very important for us to understand how every part of an institution is trying to make that experience better and really embed sustainability in our student body. So yeah, it's just been interesting to see some of the more structural changes, as well as, I hope, hearing more about how we actually embed it on the ground.